Welcome to Borjomi Historical Park, a place where nature and history blend seamlessly. Join me as we embark on a journey through time and explore the rich heritage of this enchanting destination and uncover the captivating story behind this renowned spring, the Ekaterina Spring.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
As I walked through the lush greenery of Borjomi Historical Park, I couldn't help but captivated by its natural beauty. The park, located in the heart of Georgia, is a true haven for nature enthusiasts and history lovers alike.
We'll go.
But Borjomi's allure extends beyond its breathtaking landscapes. This park has a fascinating history that dates back centuries. It originally established as a royal hunting ground for Georgian monarchs who were drawn to its pristine forest and abundant wildlife.
And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
In the 19th century, Borjomi gained international recognition for its natural mineral water, believed to have healing properties. This water's reputation spread far and wide, attracting visitors from near and far who sought its therapeutic benefits. It all started when Empress Alexandra Feodorovna, the wife of Emperor Nicholas I, suffered from the health issues and sought relief from the natural springs of Borjomi.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by
In 1846, she visited the era and was enchanted by the healing powers of the local waters. Impressed by their rejuvenating effects, she ordered the construction of a pavilion and named the spring after her daughter, Ekaterina.
we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
The construction of the Ekaterina Pavilion marked the beginning of a new era for Borjomi, as the region transformed into a renowned health resort. The pavilion became a focal point for visitors seeking the restorative benefits of the spring, and its popularity grew rapidly.
Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
The reputation of Ekaterina Spring spread far beyond the borders of Russia, attracting visitors from all corners of the world. The sparkling mineral water, believed to possess healing properties, became a sought-after elixir for those in search of wellness and vitality.
Can make me move. Can make me move.
Over the years, Ekaterina Spring gained recognition for its unique composition, rich in minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and carbonates. The water was praised for its ability to aid digestion, boost metabolism, and promote overall well-being.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
As time passed, the Ekaterina Pavilion underwent several renovations and expansions to accommodate the growing number of visitors. Its picturesque setting amidst the lush greenery of Borjomi's Park added to the allure, creating a serene atmosphere for those seeking solace and healing. Today, the legacy of Ekaterina Spring continues to thrive, and the Borjomi Historical Park welcomes visitors from around the world who come to immerse themselves in its serene atmosphere and explore its cultural and historical significance.
To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one.
The park offers a multitude of activities, from leisurely strolls along its picturesque trails to picnics by the riverside. Visitors can also enjoy the mineral-rich water straight from the spring or indulge in bottled version available in stores worldwide.
I shout, the ground shakes. How much can
The healing properties of the water, coupled with the stunning natural surroundings, make Ekaterina Spring and Borjomi a sought-after destination for wellness enthusiasts and nature lovers.
Can I be your superhero?
As you wander through the park, you will come across ancient ruins, reminders of a bygone era. These remnants tell tales of the region's past and offer a glimpse into the lives of those who once walked these grounds. As we reflect on the history of Ekaterina Spring, we are reminded of the enduring power of nature and its ability to provide solace and rejuvenation.
Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy.
Borjomi's Spring has left an indelible mark on the region, attracting visitors from far and wide who seek the healing touch of its mineral-rich waters.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero?
But it's not just the history that makes Borjomi Historical Park special. It's the harmonious blend of nature and heritage. The towering trees provide shade on sunny days, while the gentle breeze carries the whispers of stories untold.
All is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent.
So, whether you're seeking tranquility, cultural exploration, or simply a moment of respite, Borjomi Historical Park invites you to experience the beauty of the past and the serenity of the present.
burn the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Thank you for joining me on this journey through Borjomi Historical Park. May its history and natural splendor leave an indelible mark on your heart.